back again. I just want us to go through this because a lot is going on. One thing I can assure you is that here we will bring it to you the way it is. Anybody lying, anybody trying to twist word, their tricks will be exposed on our platforms. Many of you know this egg breaker, the voodoo man. He vowed to do unthinkable. Those things that you don't expect that somebody who is somehow human will not do, that's what he loved doing. You are going to hear what he uttered on this video. I am doing this not because of anything. I'm not here to promote violence or to attack anybody. But those little things that some of you or underestimate actually means a lot. You are going to hear what this guy said, and I'm not gonna make the video to be too long. You see, anybody who tries to devote time or who devote his time to sing praises of himself are those who actually worth nothing. People that matter in life don't have time to shout praises on themselves. Rather, bypassers, people who actually watch out or spectators are those that praise them, shout praises, and trying to set the record straight, discussed about it the way it's supposed to be. A lot of people know what I'm talking about. Some may not know, but as long as we're here, it is our duty to make you to understand, to see through to see through their alternate, to their actions. Example: this very guy here you are watching. He admitted that he's a voodoo person. He admitted that he's an oracle, according to him, which I don't know. Yeah, oracle. Using Obogo na Institute of Europe. I'm gonna allow him to say something, but before then, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. Tell us what you think about it. I am recording it direct, so there's a way the video will be. So just bear with me and make sure you comment. I want to know what you think about what this guy is saying, or what he will say rather. Okay, let's go there.
Crossed many rivers, we have crossed many seas, and the good guy always win. The good guy is always advancing. And one funny thing is that those of us that are die hard, taproot stopper.
He will start with praising, saying something that will make you think that he actually mean good. He's talking about PM. No. Guess what? It's not about PM. Listen.
Others of the good guy, they try to clip us down. But because our own mentality is not financial, our own mentality is freedom and revolution.
Chimo, your own kidney about financial. Your own mentality is not financial. Really? Oh, let me allow others to judge that.
Redemption will never fall.
Okay.
We never fall. There's one footballer that is very good at that. As small as he is, once he's determined to go and score, he doesn't buy cheap penalty. He doesn't buy. Very good dribbler, one of the best in the world. When he moves, he goes, jump. Sometimes when they try to slice him, he will jump, bam, very good, until he gets to that box. He will not fall. If you fall him outside the box, it means that you really determined to fall him. And sometimes they will draw his shirt, they will still be fighting. There are some players, when you don't draw their shirt small, they will dive. But this one, hey, they follow. His name is Lionel Messi. He go, bim. He must hit. And most of the time, he will score. Every attempt to stop him.
All this garbage is to compare himself with Lionel Messi. In case if you don't know, watch out.
The I am like that. Bam. I am like that. Every appeal, everything you try to do to stop me, hey, go and
watch Chineke that turned to oracle. You hear him saying that his oracle that appeared in the Finland court, that his appearance made Finland to relax PM restriction to work to be with Biafrans. For the first time, he talked to Biafrans. I remember he said for the first time PM talked to Biafrans, meaning people go there for the first time to see him one-on-one. But these gangs people, these cabals, I've been telling you how often they visit PM. PM will say you should fall back. Legend.
Ask your ancestors. By the grace of I am Deputy Minister of Information, Biafra Republic Government in Exile.
All this introduction, tell them the problem. You see, this by special grace of God, I am a Deputy Information Minister. This is the problem. This and one church Ghana here in account every month. In our that is the problem. And I don't go now everybody go sorry Fulani, go Fulani. Oh, because once you buy to the real idea of Biafran, the USB government, the real structure, the plans of PM himself, it will affect this title that this guy is boasting of here now.
I greet you all, and I bring you good tidings from the Prime Minister. Thank you for joining me this week.
Now, he's bringing you good tidings from the Prime Minister. As in what? You are going to hear that good tidings. Watch.
Money. There's no effort for propaganda against our Prime Minister that will succeed. Oh, no. Some of the things we talk about, we just want to talk about it.
Okay.
Even if we don't talk about it, it holds no water. I'll play the video for you, and then we will delve into it. And I will have some time to put the link for those of you that wants to come into the studio to come in and express your own opinion. Yes, but the truth remains that, do you know what gives me joy? That same trust, that same confidence that Finland have on Mars Simon Ekpa, every effort to destroy and tarnish it have failed. Now, they see him as that same man that was in charge of their transport system in Lati, that same man that was, integrity personified, that same good guy, the peace ambassador. It has been restored. That glory has been restored. And the good thing is that Finland will now hold him in a higher esteem. Everything people are saying against.
If you know the reason why that is possible, you will despise these people because the people that are actually doing something to restore the image of PM and make sure that PM is being released, even to relax the restriction, is USB. But honestly, that fact is not on social media. Nobody have shared that on social media. The movement of USB, the work that USB has done and still doing is what these guys are bragging about. You remember they told you they visit PM often, right? We are gonna hear from him, from this guy, from this video. You know that all is babash, lies from pit of hell, because he said it here that his appearance in Finland have actually, as a spiritual man, as an oracle, according to what he said, made Finland to relax the restriction they mounted on PM. He's the one that made it possible. For the first time, PM talked to Biafrans, coming from a deputy information minister of Onde Okozo Mozo, who often lied to Biafrans that they sent delegates to meet PM. PM told them that you treated Biafrans to fall back. That there's one assignment PM gave to them, and that assignment had been achieved. These same people, the same group, are those who announced to you that they're going to protest for 2 times now, and that protest have not happened because umekeja for work. Let them call for protest. If ghost tank or gap. Anyway, listen. Let us continue.
Him and about him on social media. Finland has seen them all. They listen and they see. Like this propaganda they brought up. I saw this video yesterday. Some people are already commenting on the comment section. I see that's why we keep telling you, follow the right channel. When Ngozi Fulani, shameless lunatic,
Now pay attention
in
here.
Atlanta, Georgia, when she starts lying,
Pay attention here.
Finland does not know. That is why her presence in Finland right now will only bring her shame and disgrace. You know why? It is the same woman that came on social media and told everybody, Finland has got to tell America, I am a terrorist. those things. They saw it. And then when she come, where will she approach? The only thing she want to go and do in Finland is diabolical altar she wants to raise. But and the faithful Biafrans have already demolished that altar. Who does it? They know you lied. They know you lied that you sent representatives to Finland, but you did not. They know you lied that you are now lying that you are the leader of Brigy, which you said Brigy is gone. You are USB. Now that your United States of Biafra Nigeria propaganda did not hold water, you are now dragging Brigy with me. With me. Don't convert. I'm a Kuwagon now.
You see the problem I have with some of our people. First thing first, COS said that USB is where we are. That Brigy is gone. That means you are not working on operating under Brigy as Brigy, but that doesn't mean that Brigy is useless. That's nothing like Brigy. What it means is that just like we all know that we are Biafrans, but some of the action that we take in our day-to-day activities is still under Nigeria. Get is a common sense. No matter how you want to twist it, some of you commenting abroad, you are still using Nigerian passport, isn't it? You go to Nigerian embassy to renew your passport, isn't it? But you see yourself, identify yourself as a Biafran, what you are. But based on some of the circumstances that surround your existence as of now, you still operate and do your, go, engage yourself in your day-to-day activities under Nigeria. Does that make you a Nigerian, not a Biafran? The answer is no. Because there are some things in life you can control. There are some things that you cannot control. It's a matter of time. But people who have dubious character, who have questionable character, they cannot, think in that direction. Not they don't know, they do, but for them to mislead people, to gain their own, to achieve their own freedom, they will not let it lie. They'll always go down to dig out nonsense to justify their action. Now, the issue of claiming that Finland called her a terrorist and all that is classified information that you don't have access to. Do you understand? Just like now, you people sued Biafrans, you guys have sued Biafrans in US. In that your lawsuit, do you know that you said that Biafrans stole your property? Because all people they put. So that means that Biafrans are criminal. If somebody come down and say that you called me a criminal, you said that I am a criminal, you'll be saying, no, that Brigy have not done that. In fact, Brigy love Biafrans. That would be your response. But technically, you have told US government that Biafrans are criminal by your lawsuit. If peradventure, God forbid, that US or US court, that law court or whatever, finally rule the case in your own favor, that Biafrans stole your property. One can also say that American called us criminals. That means, what does that mean? That based on the judgments from your own lawsuit, you have made people to call Biafrans criminal. But you won't detail it on your platform. You only want to say it and run away with it. People who could not think for themselves will run with that and believe they have intels. Oko, one of the Fallback. Listen. Oh, sorry. I did not. I forgot to comment on the issue of what you just said now. Now, you are dragging Brigy with me. In Brigy, you want nobody to compare her. And people will see you as an educated man, intelligent man, mature man with gray hair everywhere. You're not a boy, you're not a child. You said you are dragging Brigy with me. With you as what? You're not even information minister, you are just a deputy of fake ministerial position as we speak. Fake. And you are here yapping nonsense. Okay, how can you say that you are dragging Brigy with the COS? That all, even PM have not told you or mentioned that she has been sacked. The easiest thing PM could do, since he distanced himself, according to you, from CS, is to announce that this woman has been sacked. PM have not sacked her. That's how gullible some of you can be. But you want people to, oh, PM have distanced himself from Ngozi. Why don't PM say, Ngozi, you are hereby sacked?